Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a really useful trick that a lot of people don't realize is possible, how to take a design you made in Canva and open it as a Word document. This is perfect if you need to tweak a Canva resume, flyer, or anything else using Word, or if you have to send your design to someone who prefers Word format. By the end of this tutorial, you'll confidently know how to move your Canva creations into Word with just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Imagine you've just finished working on a resume in Canva. Maybe you've picked out the perfect template, added all your details, and you're ready to send it off for a job application. The first thing you're going to do is head up to the Share button in the top right corner. This is your gateway for getting anything out of Canva. Give it a click and then choose the Download option from the menu. Now here's an important detail. For this process to work smoothly, you'll need to download your design as a PDF file. PDFs are a universal format and keep the layout nice and crisp, so they're perfect for making sure your resume or project looks exactly the way you designed it. Once your file finishes downloading, you might be tempted to just open it in Google Docs or Word, but unfortunately, there's no direct way to connect Canva and Word right now. That means we have to take one extra step, and I'll walk you through that. Open up a new tab in your browser and simply search for PDF to Doc Converter in Google. There are plenty of free tools out there for this. Sites like Smolpt or I Love PDF work great. Pick one that looks trustworthy and easy to use. After you're on the conversion website, look for the option to upload your PDF. This is where you're going to upload the file you just downloaded from Canva. Don't worry if your browser takes a second or two. Sometimes bigger designs can take a moment to process. Once your PDF is uploaded, hit the Convert button and wait for the site to do its magic. What it's doing here is essentially reformatting your beautiful design so it can be edited as a Word document. When the conversion is finished, the site will prompt you to download your new doc file. Save it to your computer, and before you get too excited, there's one tiny step left to actually open it in Google Docs or Microsoft Word. Head over to Google Docs in your browser. If you've never done this before, it's super easy. Just click on File, then Open, and upload your converted doc file. Google Docs will process the upload, and within a few seconds, your Canva design is sitting right there, fully editable in Word format. It's kind of like teleporting your design from one world to another. And that's it. Now you're free to make any last-minute adjustments in Word or Google Docs, whether that's fixing a typo, changing some formatting, or simply sharing it with someone who prefers documents over PDFs. If things don't look perfect right away, for example, if some fonts or images seem a little shifted, don't panic. That can happen sometimes with conversions, and a few quick tweaks will usually set everything straight. So there you have it, a fast and easy way to open your Canva design as a Word document. I hope this helped you out today. If you found the video useful, please hit that like button, it really helps me out. And if you have any questions or run into any hiccups, just drop a comment below and I'll jump in to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward, helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.